May the birds soar from their cage, sunbeams filter through the foliage, flames they grow with immortal courage. And I hope you won't be tainted by fate, nothing to fear, so go alone, my dear. By the grace of pain, hundreds of times you fight in the ruin, your pride will not be slain. From the heart to the veins, stay away.